Hi there! Today we're going to show you how to do a nozzle check on the Epson Stylus Photo R285. So with the printer powered off, we want to hold down maintenance button and the power button for 10 seconds, and then the printer should do a nozzle check. Okay, so you can see there that the printer has done a nozzle check for all the colours. We've got here yellow, we should have black here. We've got photo cyan, photo magenta, magenta and cyan. So you can see that it hasn't printed any black at all there, so we need to do a few head cleans to see if we can fix that problem. We've got a video on our channel to show you how to do those head cleans. Once they're done, hopefully it should print as normal and everything should be fine. Okay, so that's all for today. That shows you how to do the nozzle check on your R285. Please give this video a like if it was helpful, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you!